Shading happens when sunlight glows from one part of the subject leaving a shadow on the other, which ultimately triggers shade. The temple is reported to have no shadows at all at any time of the day from any direction possible. If you look the Sudarshan Chakra, the chakra looks back with the same appearance. It's like it was designed to look just the same from every direction. Every day, a priest scrambles the walls of the temple with a height equivalent to that of a 45-story building to change the flag atop the temple dome. The practice is done with bare hands without any protective gear. It is believed if the ritual is skipped one day from the calendar, the temple will be shut down for a long 18 years. If you look up to the sky, you will see the sky is full of birds. But this particular area is restricted. Not even a single bird is encountered above the temple dome. Even an aeroplane could not be seen hovering above the temple. The traditional way to cook the prasad is preserved by the priest here. Exactly 7 pots are used as vessels mounted over one another and are cooked using firewood. To be surprised, the topmost pot is cooked fast and the rest follows the same order.